If you're a real estate agent who's struggling to come up with blog content for your website, or maybe you're a real estate agent who's not even utilizing blogs and you're missing out on this powerful resource to get you organic leads for free, then you're going to want to watch all of this video today, because I'm going to take you step by step how to take your YouTube video and plug it into an AI tool for free that will help you write your article for a blog in a matter of seconds. So if this interests you and you want to get organic leads for free to grow your real estate business, then keep watching. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Sharman, your real estate marketing expert. I have over 15 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you'd like to see more content like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release a new video. And also, if you're interested in partnering with me inside of Agent Wolfpack here at eXp Realty and getting all of my amazing resources and training for free at no extra cost or split, then there is a link below in the description to book a one-on-one call with me. So go ahead and do that. And today we're diving into the world of blogs. People are not utilizing blogs enough. I've said this in my previous videos on how to get blog topics and ideas, but you need to be able to literally post blogs weekly on your website, at least one, so that way your website is staying up to date and you're able to have a chance of ranking with SEO, which is search engine optimization, on Google and other major search engines. And the best way to do this is with blogs, to put out relevant content on a regular basis. And a lot of agents struggle with what to do, how to come up with blog articles. And I've covered this in other videos, but what you can do is, if you're already recording YouTube videos that are not video tours, but you're recording, tours of the area, city overviews, tips and tricks, top 5 reasons why you should move to Houston, or buyer's tips, seller tips, any of those educational videos, you can easily turn those into a blog article with 2 very simple steps. And that is taking the transcript from YouTube, plugging it into something like ChatGPT, and then putting it into your website or whatever you're using for your blog articles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and show you how to do that step by step. All right, so now the first thing we're going to do is pull up the YouTube video that we want to turn into a blog. And again, these are only suitable for educational type, where you're actually talking the entire time. Because if you can't do home tours because there's a lot of silence and showing pictures. However, I did the town of, the city I live in, Richmond, Texas, and I talked about the history, the population, the school systems, what the median income is, things to do. So you can watch this video. I also have a video where I talk about how you can do this YouTube format for your real estate channel. But basically, we're going to go to this video and we're going to scroll down. And if you look where it says show more and it shows you kind of your chapters, there's a thing clicking that says show transcript. If you click show transcript, what's going to happen is it's going to generate all of the transcript. Now, I know there's plugins that will do this for you, but why have to use those when it's already here? And this is auto-generated, but what we're going to do is click these 3 dots here in the corner, and we're going to say toggle timestamps. And the reason why is I want to get rid of all those timestamps. So all you're going to do is just highlight across the first line and then drag down all the way to the bottom. And then here we go. Just be careful how far you drag down. And then we're just going to hit Control C, or you can right click and copy. And then we're going to come over here to ChatGPT. So if you don't have a ChatGPT account, it is free. I do have the Plus version, but it is free. You don't need to upgrade. And if you don't know what ChatGPT is, I have other videos that explain it. Basically, this is an AI tool that you can have a conversation with, and it will do some tasks as you prompt it down here in the message box. So what I'm going to tell it to do is to take my YouTube video transcript, okay, and then convert it into a blog outline. So I'm gonna do this in real time so you can see any errors that we would have. So obviously I forgot to paste it in there. So if that happens to you, you can edit your previous prompt. And then I'm just going to paste all of that long thing in there, save and submit. And now it has made a blog article outline for me. So the great thing about this is now that it's giving you some points, you can go through and have it write each section. So right here's the introduction. So I can highlight this and say, please write content for this section using my YouTube transcript as a guide. And then I'll enter and then paste that in there. And then it will write that section for me. So we'll just scroll down. And here is the intro to my blog article. Now, one thing that you're going to want to do when you go through ChatGPT, you don't want to just copy and paste. Sometimes you'll have to tell it to reword things, or maybe you want your intro to be a little bit longer or shorter. You will need to tell it, hey, can you please make that shorter? Can you include these keywords? So you don't want to just copy and paste it exact, because then, Google has this thing with AI as we're coming into it. They still want human written content that's relevant. And there's plenty of checkers, which I'll show you on another blog post or another video. But basically we could take this in and then have something up like a Word document or Google Docs. And then we can literally paste it. And I always do paste without formatting. And I don't know why I did that. So anyways, if that doesn't work, you can hit Control-Shift-V and it will do that. So there's our intro. And then our next section is, so we can go ahead and exit out of that video. So our next section, we would just come up here and we would have it write this section. So we would come in, paste this, and then I can just go up here. Copy this line so I don't have to retype it. And then you just do this section by section, very simple. And then you just want to correct any information. So to me, this is a little long. So, we could have it trimmed down, or if you want to do it, you keep it like that. And again, once you get it the way you want it, watch, you can even say, please reduce the above to half. And it will reduce it for you. So there we go. So now that's a little shorter, so we can come copy and paste. And so there's our section. And then we'll just do this step by step through the entire thing. Now, you can come in here and tell it. So if I came back here and let's tell it to, instead of turn it into an outline, please turn it into a blog article for my real estate website. I need the article to be at least 1,200 words. Okay. And then you could come in and submit that like this, and then it will spit out each section. Now, the only difference with this, sometimes ChatGPT on the beginning part does not listen to your word length requirement, especially if it's a shorter article. Sometimes I'll have to go through and be like, can you make this section longer? So I can literally take this and put it in and say, please rewrite this introduction, or please make this longer. And if you can tell it, hey, I need it to be at least 3 paragraphs, it will do that. So you do have to finesse it. It's not perfect like anything else. And yes, there is other things like All Right as a website as well that you can copy and paste your YouTube video link. It will grab the transcript and then it will write the article for you. And then you can put it in ChatGPT to fix it. This is what I do for all of my videos that you're watching. Like right now, I put these on my website immediately and I just go grab the transcript from YouTube. So why not keep this easy? Why not keep it free? And then again, you will put it in here. And I like to put it in the Google document because then I have a backup copy of my article. And then I go and copy and paste those into my website and add videos and photos. Another great thing to do that I do, and I will show you on my website. Actually, let me just show you on the recent one. So you can see that I do this on our real estate website. But if you go to my blog for my real estate website, I do this on the jacobshireman.com. So if you, went to the wrong page. So if you go to my blog there and we click on one of these blog articles. So I did this for a home tour. I had ChatGPT write, a quick article about the property. But the thing is, you can embed all of your YouTube videos into your blog, okay? And the reason why you want to do that is not only are you getting SEO on YouTube, but now you're getting on Google and they're connected and it loves that. So whether you're doing market reports or things you need to know before moving to Houston, throw those videos in there and then you can put a video. Do you want to keep reading or do you want to watch the video? And if you click watch the video, it pops up to the screen, gives you the view, and they don't even have to leave your website, okay? So that is some quick things to do. You need to implement blogs. It is such a powerful thing. A lot of people aren't doing it. It's just another added layer of lead generation. You've already got the YouTube video. Turn it into a blog article, embed the YouTube video. You can simply embed your YouTube videos. When you pull up the YouTube video, I will show you how to embed. It's very simple and it's a great way, again, on how to just increase your SEO. So if you come over here to the video you want, you can click on the video. You can say share and get the link. And a lot of them will automatically embed it for you if you just paste the link, if you're using something like WordPress, or you can just click embed and you can basically tell, show player controls, all that stuff. But basically you just copy this, right click, copy, and then you go to your website and embed it. So that is how you can really monopolize on blogs and already use the content you're already doing. You don't have to go create other content. Remember, your blog articles can turn into YouTube videos and your YouTube videos can turn into blog articles. All right, well, I hope you found all of that information helpful. I really want people to start using blogs more, and I will put more resources up too on how to even set up a blog website and what's the intricacy of laying out blogs and how to really make sure that they're packed with SEO so that you're able to rank for those keywords. But if you'd like to see more training topics like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and hit that notification bell. And if you have any questions about what I went over, or there's other training topics that you want to see, go ahead and leave those down in the comments below. I will be glad to respond and reply to those. If you have other questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is in the description below and on my website, jacobshireman.com, which you can find tons of marketing resources and training that I have both free and paid. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video.